This is Groovy Space and we're here in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. We got an outdoor unit. It's a drive-up unit, outdoor. And the size of this unit is 4 meter deep, 4 meter wide, and 3.2 meter high. Okay, we start from outside. We got a treadmill. I think the brand is called BH. Nothing is tested in this unit. Once sold, everything to be removed. Nothing to be left behind. We got $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, we'll refund you back the $250. Cash only deposit. Okay, we're gonna go into the unit. Okay, we start from the right. We got a Daewoo fridge. It's a 2-door fridge. And here's the model. Looks like this is a 405 liter. We got 4 bath stool, 2 white and 2 black. And looks like this is recliners. Module sofa recliners, grey in color. We got a mattress in the back. Okay, we got a white bed frame, timber, another sort of a tub stool, and I think there is a desk there, some sort of stepper exercise machine. Got bags and bags of luggages, bags, I mean not luggages, boxes as well. There's another cupboard here, a 2-door cupboard and bookshelf behind. Got a Daewoo washing machine with front loader, and this is a 7 kilo. Okay. Once again, this is in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. Thank you for watching.